We have two 50-gallon water heaters in the garage, and we're not in California, so we don't have to have seismic straps. And since they're on the shelf over here to the side, then outside of the driving perimeter, you probably should have a bollard here to protect it from vehicular damage. On the other hand, it's kind of marginal, I guess. The two water heaters are temperature pressure relief drains. Okay, they should be replaced every 3 years. There's our data plates. And they're going to be just pretty much identical. Now, what's wrong with them? I can't find a care and use manual. The T&Ps are not insulated. And we should not have tape on our connections. All the connections should be fastened mechanically, not with tape. There's our main shutoff valve to the water heaters. Parallel is on, perpendicular is off.